Webinar is a medium between you and your customer. Your customer is not attending a webinar for the first time. He has attended several such webinars. He is hopeful that he is looking at you, that you can provide the solution for his problem. He's been spending sleepless night. He's been living in anxiety. He's being living in stress, and he's hopeful that in that situation, he's looking at a solution which could come from you. So if you have a solution and if you are able to connect with him in the right way, he would trust you. He would be your customer for lifetime. What happens is that on this particular journey, we invest in a lot of tools. We take everything proper. We do our courses. We have uploaded our courses. We are ready with everything. And we are the subject matter expert. We are the expert in this subject. But let me break this myth. Your customer doesn't buy your product for your content. He buys the product for the solution that it can provide you. So most of the times we are so focused on the content that we only talk about content, and we forget the pain points of your customer. We forget the solution, forget the transformation that your target customer expects from you. So slowly and steadily, what happens is that we get into this pattern of repetitive mode wherein we are addicted to delivering our content in a similar way. Your customer on your webinar changes in every webinar. You don't have the same customer in all the webinar. The customer changes on every webinar. Their expectation changes on every webinar. The way they engage with you changes on the webinar. If you have been monotonous in conducting your webinar, you are losing the essence of what you are doing. You are losing the essence of the solution which you are going to give him, right? So in a way, you become the bottleneck at the fag end of your product or the solution. You have invested in the right tools. You have done the best content. You have made the best course. You have the best equipment at your disposal, but you lose the essence wherein you are not able to give that solution in the right way. So you should not be missing the essence of the pain. You need to understand the pain point of your customer better than they understand. You need to understand why is he spending sleepless night? Why is he living with anxiety? You need to understand why is he under stress. And if you can address this point, let me tell you, you are going to have a very unique solution and he would want to be your lifetime customer. If you want to learn many more strategies and the secrets on how to conduct your webinar the most successful way, please click on the link and join me live where I'm going to unveil the webinar success formula. So all the best, and I'll see you live in the next webinar. Thank you so much, and I'll see you live. Thank you.